everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open Quick Settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After turn on or turn off flight mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings, reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.